In a strongly worded judgment, a Supreme Court three-judge bench headed by Chief Justice Dipak Misra and Justices A.M. Khanwilkar and Justice D.Y. Chandrachud today ruled out any foul play in the death of a CBI judge, Judge Loya. The Supreme Court judgment said that Judge Loya died of natural causes. No probe is needed. The judgment written by Justice Chandrachud said there is no reason to doubt the clear and consistent statements of the four judicial officers. The judgment said that the judicial officers' statements have a ring of truth. They had nothing to conceal nor an axe to grind. To attribute motives to Judge Loya's colleagues is absurd, if not motivated. The judgment then targeted the petitioners, saying the avalanche of misdirected PILs found to promote a personal, business or political agenda. This has now spawned an industry of vested interests in litigation, adding that these petitions is a veiled attempt to launch a frontal attack on the judiciary, saying in strong words that even the judges of this bench have not been spared from this vituperative assault. Also, that the petitioners' conduct scandalizes the court's process and prima facie constitutes criminal contempt. The judgment added, we rest in the hope that the bar of the nation is resilient to withstand such attempts on the judiciary.
In just 15 minutes, before a packed courtroom, a bench made up of Chief Justice Dipak Misra and Justices A.M. Khanwilkar and D.Y. Chandrachud put an end to the demand of a probe into the death of CBI Special Judge BH Loya.
As the main reason, the court cited statements of judicial officers who were with Judge Loya in his last minutes. These statements, recorded by Maharashtra government, reportedly say that there was nothing amiss in the manner in which he died.
As the court put it, there is no reason for this court to disbelieve statements of the judicial officers who stayed with Judge Loya. Extraneous allegations were made as if the judicial officers were conspirators to a murder. There is no doubt that it is clear from the judicial officer's statement that Judge Loya died of natural causes.
But the court did not stop there, hitting out at the petitioners who had demanded a probe, saying they were acting out of political motives.
Business rivalries to be resolved in the market and political rivalries in the hall of democracy. These PILs are scandalous and amount to criminal contempt. The PIL was misused with political agenda that one man was behind everything. The last is a reference to BJP President Amit Shah. Judge Loya died in December 2014 while hearing the Sohrabuddin encounter case in which BJP chief Amit Shah was an accused. Later, Shah was discharged from the case. During the hearings, lawyers for the petitioners had alleged that the court was under pressure from Mr. Shah. The judgment has shocked the petitioners.
Was Judge Loya not a part of the judiciary? Was Judge Loya not a part of the system? Is there no discrepancy in his inquiry report?
So what are judges holy cows? It's not just a terrible judgment, it's a black day for the Supreme Court.
Lawyers for the Maharashtra government, however, welcomed the court decision.
Petitions went to the extent of virtually saying that the judge's colleagues who were with him when he died were telling lies. It's not a case where there is no direct evidence. The direct evidence was the people who were with him.
Though the petitioners have two more legal options to seek review of this judgment, but it's highly unlikely that the top court will reconsider its verdict. So for all legal purposes, Judge Loya's case is closed. With Monideepa Banerjee and Sonal Mehrotra Kapoor, this is Arunachalam Vaidyanathan, NDTV.